Hello dear children, in this video we will be discussing the first chapter of civics, class 8, the Indian Constitution. So let us begin by discussing the meaning of the word constitution. Constitution is a written legal document which carries rules and regulations to govern the country. Now let us try to understand why do we need a constitution in a democracy. The constitution serves several purposes. First, it lays out certain ideals that form the basis of the kind of country that we as citizens aspire to live in. A country is usually made up of different communities of people who share certain beliefs but may not necessarily agree on all. A constitution helps serve as a set of rules and principles that all persons in a country can agree upon as the basis of the way in which they want the country to be governed. The second important purpose of a constitution is to define the nature of a country's political system. A constitution plays a crucial role in laying out certain important guidelines that govern decision making with these societies. In a democracy, we choose our leaders so that they can exercise power responsibly on our behalf. However, there is always the possibility that these leaders may misuse their authority, and the constitution usually provides safeguards against this. In democratic countries, the constitution often lays down rules that guard against the misuse of authority by our political leaders. The next significant reason as to why we need a constitution in a democracy is that constitutions provide rights to the citizens. For example, the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to equality to all persons and says that no citizen can be discriminated against on grounds of religion, race, caste, gender, and place of birth. The right to equality is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Indian Constitution. Another important function that a constitution plays in a democracy is to ensure that a dominant group does not use its power against other, less powerful people or group. Such unhealthy situations can occur in our democratic societies. The constitution usually contains rules that ensure that minorities are not excluded from anything that is routinely available to the majority. Another reason why we have constitution is precisely to prevent the tyranny or domination by the majority of a minority. Next significant reason why we need a constitution is to save us from ourselves. Children, this may sound strange, but what is meant by this is that we might at times feel strongly about an issue that might go against our larger interests, and the Constitution helps us guard against this. The Constitution helps to protect us against certain decisions that we might take that could have an adverse effect on the larger principles that the country believes in. For example, it is possible that many people who live in a democracy might come to strongly feel that our party politics has become all about power play, that we need a strong dictatorship to set the things right. Swept by this emotion, they may not realize that in long run, dictatorial rule goes against all their interests. A good constitution does not allow these whims to change its basic structure. It does not allow for the easy overthrow of provisions that guarantee rights of citizens and protect their freedom. So children, with this we end the first part of the chapter, the Indian Constitution. In this video, we try to understand the meaning of the word constitution and why do we need a constitution in a democracy. In the next part of the video, we will be discussing the Indian Constitution and its key features. Thank you, God bless, and take care of yourself.